Well, I thought we could find a couple up here around this rock wall, but I ain't had no luck today. We got a fresh water source coming through here constantly, and sun hadn't really got back in this pocket though to kind of warm those rocks up. So maybe once it does, I'll find a few more up in there. We'll head on around the lake some and see if I can find something else around through it, I guess. Seen a couple small ones pop up out here, but I ain't had no luck so far. All I've thrown though really is this fluke out here. Threw a spinnerbait a couple times on the other side, but this lake is full of so much brush, you constantly hit and snag stuff from the bank. Well, I thought I'd at least find a couple small ones up in here, but I don't know. Had one little bite back here by the brush, but this light line and spinning reel can't really pull much out of that brush. With the fact that I done broke my line off back here once and I ain't got a whole lot of line left on the reel. There he is. There's one finally. If we can get him in. Ooh, he swallowed that. Well, he ain't much, but at least he's a fish. Now let's see if we can get this thing out of his mouth. And he is cold too. Well, there's one finally. Let's see if we got another one in this little hole. No. Yeah, I think we do. Yep, looks like we do. Yep, there's another one in that little hole. Oh, we got him hung up in some fence. Broke my line, my hook off, but we need to get down there and see if we can get that fish out. There he goes. We got him loose at least. See what I can do with a little spinnerbait down here, and we'll tie another fluke on, and if this don't do us any good. There's another one. There's one on the spinnerbait. That one's a little better than the other one's a little longer anyway. He ain't much heavier. Three from that one little spot. They all seem to be holding in this end, so at least I know where they're at for now. There's another one. Another little guy, but he still counts. What the crap? That's a brio. Well, that may be the first time I've caught that on a spinnerbait, but a little sunfish. Pretty nice little sunfish, little bluegill. There we go, there's another one. Another little small guy, but we'll take him. Man, that little bitty mouth, I don't know how they're getting that spinner in there. Well, I think that's about 5 or 6 for us back here in this corner. There we go, there's another one. Keep him out away from that netting. That one's definitely better. It's the biggest so far today anyway. Still nothing major, but definitely the biggest one so far today. Took that hook all the way through that top lip right there too, so we're getting good hooks on them, that's for sure. Looks like we found a little honey hole of them back here, little small ones. I'm gonna take it though, fish is a fish. There we go, there's one more. Yeah, there was still another one down there. All a bunch of little guys, but they're there. Nothing giant, that's for sure. Well, I found some fish, some small ones, but fish nonetheless. I was planning on covering a lot more around the lake today, but I think I only covered about 2 miles. kind of stopped at the hole where I found the fish and killed way too much time trying to find a big one out of that hole. But hey, I caught about 6, I think, out of that hole, so I'm good with that. Anyway, I think it's about time to head back to the truck, so we're gonna kind of get packed back up. I've got most of my stuff in the bag and the rod's laying here ready to go, and head back to the truck. This is the first video I've got to do in a while, so hopefully I'll get a chance to get out here and cover a little more ground while the lake's a little low and find some spots. But we'll get home, get this one taken care of, and we'll see y'all again here next time. See you guys.